And I want that to be propagated kung tayo i-introduce sa media, lalo ng mga chief of police and mobile force commanders. Baka nyo din yung silok map, silok plan sa likod nyo. Bilang isang proactive na estratehiya, mag-iisip, magdadalawang isip ang gagawa ng masama. Kapag sabihin niya, kapag gagawa pala ako ng hindi maganda, ay mahuhuli at mahuli ako. And what also the features of that silok plan? Kapag nakalusot sa area niyo, merong second layer, that is, those are the neighboring police stations you are bordering with. So, panatilihin na open line, alam niyo ang cellphone number ng hepe ng kabilang bayan. Of course, lahat ng mga magkakalapit na police station ay dapat kung may drug operation ay alam na ang nangyayari. Okay? Then, sa highway, lalo tuwing gabi, in as much as we want all people or members of the community na magiging kampante, dapat may checkpoint. So when you group yourselves into cluster, at hindi dapat napapakantihan ng ang national highway, dapat sa cluster na yun, let's say in the cluster of 5, mayroon mag-checkpoint at palitan na yan. The interior municipalities, you can do that also. So you group, you should be grouped into cluster at magdamag yan, dapat may nag-checkpoint. Kapag naka-duty ang police, dapat we must be passionate. Gawin natin lahat. Sabi nga General Srin, parang last day mo na. Do your best whenever you are on duty as police officer. Hindi yung nagre-relax. Okay? In here, Alerto, we will also emphasize Patrol 101. Noong kinakam-sit police pa lang yan, I was the Deputy Chief Regional Operations and Plans Division sa PR1 nung ang regional director natin ay si General Marquez, who eventually became the Chief PNP. So, accountability of beat patrollers is emphasized. Kapag may nangyari sa beat niya, siya ay mananagot. Of course, napipinaan din ang kanyang direct supervisor and the Chief of Police or Commander. Okay? So, that is a brief glimpse of what is my strategic framework is. Sa term pa lang, dapat ang police ay dapat alerto. But, ang pinaka-base niyan ay dapat disiplinado ang isang police sa pagganap ng kanyang tungkulin, maging magalang at of course nalalapitan, hindi yung kinatakutan. So coming here to Ilocos Norte always brings a different kind of energy, especially knowing that I am standing before a premier provincial police office with the leadership of Police Colonel Jomar Labiano and the men and women of INTPO of Biagtayo. I commend INTPO for your continued efforts in keeping Ilocos Norte peaceful, orderly, and safe. Your strong peace and order indicators, high drug-related barangay status, high drug-free barangay status, and effective security operations during major events prove that INTPO remains mission-ready and community-focused. A while ago, I introduced the Enhanced Alerto, or the Anti-Criminality and Law Enforcement through responsive and transformative organization. My vision was clear, a police organization that is disciplined, responsive, and trusted by the people. Today, I can see that direction here. The program of your provincial director, Serbisyo ang Mapagtalkan at the Anti-Red, Cantargaday, perfectly complements our regional trust. Hindi lang operasyon ang sukatan ng tagumpay. Ang tagumpay natin, kundi ang uri ng serbisyo na ipaparamdam natin sa mga yan. To be a responsive organization means walang sumbong ang binabaliwala. Every concern of our citizens must be acted upon immediately, freely, and professionally. To be a responsive organization means walang sumbong. Nawala ko To our chief of police and station commanders, lead from the front, be visible, accessible, and never tolerate complacency. Moving forward, I want to see more police on the streets, intensify your foot patrols, and strengthen police visibility, especially in vulnerable areas, tourist destinations, and public places. Huwag niyong hayaan ang mamamayan o mga turista pa ang maghanap sa pulis. Dapat ay ramdam at nakikita nila ang ating presensya sa lahat ng oras. To the men and women of Ilocos Norte PPO, I challenge you to continue strengthening your anti-criminality efforts, community engagement, and partnership with your stakeholders. Ipakita tayo, pero ang resume mo, na begitu manang dan manang polis di Ilocos Norte, ketahang na